We're watching Mo Cat. We got a copy compilation right now. So let's do this. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, oh. Oh my god. Um. Hey. No words for this. Yeah. They gonna squirt on each other. uh. Yo. That's crazy. Oh, mom. Yo. Wow. Oh, oh. Damn. Oh, oh. What did Chucky do, bro? No. Oh. Yeah. Aw. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Oh my god. Wow. Are she like a kid? Wait, what? Nah. Why is it so quiet? Mommy has a Tuesday friend that daddy doesn't know. He comes around in gym clothes and always whispers go slow. He helps her move her furniture, but it's always back the same. And he brings her lots of smoothies with a fake Italian name. What? Coach, but they never do a pose. They just sit and laugh and whisper, and he smells like garden hose. Oh. When daddy calls, she tells me, say we're baking cake instead. But I don't see the flour, just her lipstick on the bed. Oh my god! Was beer and I was a duck. I'd swim my way down and drink my way up. But water ain't beer and I ain't a duck, so we're gonna take this shot and get fucked up. Woo!
I love alcohol. It is a great neurotoxin. I love when it takes away my cognitive functioning. I love not remembering anything.
For real.
I love liver damage.
Peak.
My favorite drinks have red.
Relatable. We go straight to the second one. Watching a movie in 2030.
My auntie has a playroom that smells like bubble gum. She said it's just for grown-ups and I'm not allowed to come. There's mirrors on the ceiling and sparkles on the floor with swings that hang like jungle vines and locks on every drawer.
No.
She says she helps important men with stress and letting go.
Yeah.
I saw a prince from Switzerland and once a CEO. They always dress in funny clothes and crawl on all fours. And one time someone bodily she parked behind the door. She said I have to do my math while they play musical chairs with ropes, but I think it's unfair that I do homework.
Oh my god.
Chant weird hopes.
Oh my god.
There's a giant church with lights that shine so bright. He makes the people clap
Yeah.
and sing and have fun every night.
Yeah.
They happily drop their money in to reach the great white plane.
Yeah.
I can't tell what that does for them, but it's fun to fly to Spain.
Oh.
He taught at Grand Post Summer Camp. It looked like fun horseplay, but I don't get why they look so scared each time he shouts, "Let us pray." He says we need to stay pure and deep inside the holy gates. He gives some boys like my brother named Blaze. Some men came in with shiny cups and dragged him
Oh
off
my
instead.
God.
They must not do communion, or they'd know we always cleanse the bread. I have
Oh
an
my.
extra mommy, and my
Mommy doesn't know.
'cause she only comes to see us when my
Mommy isn't home.
She brings me little presents and she says that we're best friends.
Yeah.
But I shouldn't tell my mommy 'cause the presents would all end. She sits
Yeah.
in mommy's chair and she goes in mommy's room. And she drinks from mommy's cup when mommy goes to work at noon. I asked her why she leaves when mommy comes home.
I don't know,
every
man.
night, and she said that she's a dancer and I
You
think
think
that's
it's very nice.
I have a friendly mailman who's
Mailman.
a lot of fun. He
Oh.
brings us lots of packages even when we order none. He says they're all real fragile and for my special mom. But if they are that breakable, why the fashion them till dawn?
Oh my God.
For scams on Firefox, 'cause they keep on talking about the junk inside her box.
Oh.
Then Daddy saw him walking out of mommy's room.
Yeah, the mailman's
He
his
gets
real
ran to Grandma, all
dad.
teary-eyed and full of gloom. Now someone else brings letters, and
Haha.
Israel stand up fish. Grandma said the last guy went snorkeling and is sleeping with the fish.
Ha
My
ha.
great uncle has lots of fans and is
He
always
deserves
on
it
the
anyway.
news. He says he's doing important work, but his speeches make me snooze. He likes to play a computer
Okay.
game that seems like quite a bore. He always buys the companies right before
What?
they soar. My uncle helps unload the truck.
Oh
Like some sugar
no.
beet, but I don't know why he won't take credit for all those yummy sweet treats.
Yo,
There's
we're on
no
drugs.
way
Don't
down
blame the
street for
blame.
him
I
to
mean,
fill
blame
my
the
cup.
dogs.
He says it all will trickle down, but it just makes our pool
Oh.
fill up.
Oh my God.
Some people came by yelling loud, and it sounded like such fun. They must be playing hide and seek, 'cause they were gone.
Oh my God.
My grandma has a fancy ring and wears it every day. Men in suits all tip their hats at us, then slowly back away. Her friends all wear dark sunglasses and call her godmother, but I've never seen them at Christmas, and they seem quite scared of her. I always hear them whisper about whack and some big score, but
What?
Grandma says she hates baseball and goes behind the garage door. She
Oh.
always trips on sidewalks or falls behind a tree. She claims her bones are fragile, but she
Oh.
moves just fine.
Nah.
She says she's in waste management.
Oh
and
my.
things go away.
Yeah.
Maybe
She
can
sure
ask her
does.
where Grandpa has been since May.
Hey, Grandpa's gone, bro. What?
I'm gonna lay down in the country grass and shine it at the sun.
What?
Then I'll crack myself a nice ice cold 2-liter diet.
No.
And when I mix
No.
it with
No. No.
flying over
Oh.
boats.
Oh my God.
Country cowboy rocket man, I'm flying through the sky.
Oh my God, bro. God.
We were driving in the
Yo.
minivan, just me and mommy too. She said we're going to the mall because she needed something new. We parked
Okay.
outside the Macy's
Hey.
and planned what we should get.
Hey.
Then a boy ran up to us and said, "Yo, chat, peep this fine shit. What's your
Oh
body count?" He asked, "Do you think I
God.
should cook?" Then mommy turned and glared at him with a scary "I'll kill you" look.
Oh.
You stupid fucking
Oh.
freak with your knockoff shades and 2-inch feet. You couldn't make this girl wet if she was drowning in the street.
Damn.
She snatched his ring light and smashed it on the floor. Next time, ask your mother why your dad's now with a whore.
Oh.
Pencils from Auntie Anne's and I picked out sparkly shoes.
Oh.
Mommy said block every man who asks dumb shit for views.
Oh my
Sister wears her
God.
sparkly dress to dinner every night. Older men pick her up in shiny cars and say she's a delight, but I think they find
Nah.
her stories dull, or maybe she's impolite. 'Cause every time I spy on them, they're asleep after one bite.
Oh.
Some she'll bring for a spa retreat to help them find their zen, but she must be really bad at it, 'cause I always hear the screams of men.
Oh my God.
I tried to peek out once or twice, but mommy blocked the view. She said my sister's gardening and planting something new.
Oh, nah.
She handed me a cool new watch and a brand new PS4.
Oh.
She says be good, don't ask too much, then gently locks the door.
I'm sorry to say that the operation has left you completely blind.
Oh,
I see. Oh, cool. Then
sucks.
forget I said anything.
Wait.
Hello, my wife
What?
is going into labor.
Is this her first child?
No, this is her husband.
I'm sorry, sir. Your dad was pronounced dead.
Oh, I can't believe I've been pronouncing it wrong all this time. Hey, James.
What?
I've got your test results here. Did I pass? You will. Soon.
My cousin went to film school.
Huh?
Thinks he's really
Yo,
deep.
what the? My
He
brain
only
hurts.
likes them black and white, and they always make me sleep. He says he's working on a piece, but never tells me more. He always locks his room real fast
Oh.
as girls come through the door. Last night I heard
Oh
some
my
screams
God.
that sounded
Oh.
know he's working on a spooky horror scene.
Yeah.
He says the films aren't meant for me, and I think that's some bullcrap. Cause people come to watch them live, and I always hear them.
Oh, nah.
He's super talented and might go off to can. I've never heard a single boob just talks of OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. How I look at her as I'm flying through the windshield after she confidently said she was a great driver. Yeah,
My brother has a gym team. We met on the wrestling team.
that's
Wear
relatable.
matching outfits and oil before they scream.
What?
We spot each other grunting and whisper just like that. But I've never seen a single weight, and their arms are still quite flat.
Oh,
They always
no.
shower after, yet only one has soap. They say it
Yeah.
saves the planet, but said if I told anyone, they tie me up with rope.
What?
They watch old pirate movies, but decide to act them out instead.
Oh.
So they call each other captain while the sword.
Oh.
He says
Okay.
that he's still bulking and strength is slow to show, but
What?
he's been walking sideways since April and never seems
Oh.
to grow.
Ah, bro. Wait, was that the? Never forget the advice my alcoholic uncle told me. That is W advice.
I love being stupid. I was blessed with a low IQ. I don't want to understand or comprehend anything. I prefer my head to be empty, but if I was smart, it'd be over for you all.
War profiteering is my passion. Selling weapons makes the economy strong. Bombs and guns are good for business.
Yep.
The more countries we invade, the more regimes we overthrow,
For
the
real.
happier I feel. Without war, there would be no chance to make peace and no chance to
Yep.
make money. When our military is strong, my portfolio grows. Who cares
Yep.
about those other countries anyway?
That's peak. Like that was.
Strong. My portfolio.
Yeah. Let's look for another one. It's a third one.
I have a friendly mailman who's always a lot of fun.
Hold on.
He brings
We already saw that though.
us lots of packages, even when we order none. He says they're all real
Oh, that was
fragile
already in
and
front of
for my
them.
special mom. For scams on Firefox. Ran to grandma, fish grandma said,
Who's sweet and full of charm.
and is sleeping with the fish.
Let's subscribe to this person. Okay, stay into this.
I have a best friend Jojo, who's sweet and full of charm. My family says they
Black
love
man.
him, but flinch when he lifts his arm.
What?
For show and tell, he brought his favorite card of Jackie
Oh.
Robinson. But now he's getting put in cuffs for confessing a Jack Robinson.
Oh my God.
My great uncle asked where
Racist.
he's actually from and said he must make beef.
What?
Must have known his family
You
farmed and
racist fuck.
we bought a jug of grape juice, part of our normal routine. We weren't even near a wall, so why's he getting charged for leave?
What?
He's a
Oh
racist,
my
but I'm
God.
making so I said JoJo's gonna draw, but now the town's in full-blown panic.
What?
They say that's against the law.
Oh
My
my
brother has a
God.
girlfriend who lives inside his screen. She tells him what to wear each day and
Oh,
what
you
the colors mean.
don't.
She said he's outgrown family nights and friends just slow him down.
Wow.
He hasn't left his room in days and made her a flower crown. He
Bruh.
told her there's a girl at school who said he's quite the prize. She said he needed medicine and now he laughs with
Oh
empty
my
eyes. His friend
God.
named Kobe made fun of her and his face turned a dark red hue. Now she's teaching him how to cook.
What?
The beef is tough to chew.
Oh no. You said the beef is tough to chew?
He whispered, she warned me about this. Then reached to kill the light.
Oh my God. Let's go, Grandma.
We were driving in the minivan, just me and mommy too. She said, I gotta teach you today, and slammed a sugar-free dew. We
Okay.
walked into the classroom and sat down on the rug. Then Kaylee blew her puff bar
Oh
smoke and
my
ate a fork
God.
and shrug. Then Aiden said, I just made
A
me
fork?
coin called Poop Tick 69. It
Poop
flipped
Tick
out
69?
in under 2 minutes time. Mommy turned beet red and screamed, you stupid fucking twerp with your AI.
Oh, damn.
That lag, I'll be sure to drop a rose emoji as you're putting fries inside.
Oh. Power. These no.
He broke right out of silly jail last night.
What?
He said we're going on a trip and packed the car up tight.
Oh,
We
nah.
stopped to get some pizza. He sprinkled on plants from the ground.
Okay.
Mushrooms so
I'm
much,
sure,
but his pupils turned big.
I'm sure you could have just bought some mushrooms from there. Like, mushrooms can come on a pizza when you buy them, right? And then you can, like, oh.
Big and round. Then the sky
Okay.
turned dark, the walls shook hard, and Uncle screamed they found the van.
What?
Just got banned from the car wash again. After he shouted, the generals are here, and fell right into the trenches. I don't think the crossing guards were amused. They moved him
Bruh.
right onto the benches. Then mommy came to pick me up and gave him evil eyes. He whispered she should watch herself.
What?
I know the truth.
Oh my god!
I have a grandma Glory, who's always dressed real bright. We visit her at Shady Pines, the fanciest home in sight. The
What?
nurse says she's real popular. Her cooking must be loved by the guys.
Yeah.
She's always taking her dentures,
Huh?
and there's talk of great cream pies.
What?
I tried to drop some cookies off, but found a line back to the woods.
Oh,
She must be
nah.
cash for her used goods.
Next.
I think they bet on being bag tossed, though none seem to know the goal.
Bruh.
Because they always hand her dollar bills after going through Glory's hole. Really
Oh.
good at sharing too, she brings the money home. She
Oh.
even bought my other grandma a brand new cane with chrome.
Yeah.
My grandpa talks with girls online, he calls them all his queen.
No.
He might be getting dementia cause he tells them he's only 17. He talks with them for hours and writes out whole love songs. He must want to take them to Subway cause he keeps mentioning his foot long. Mommy gets real mad at him
no.
and acts so standoffish. I don't know what they're arguing about, but it sounds like he's gonna make catfish. He said he finally found the one and booked her on a flight. She said she travels heavy and he pictured a rich girl delight. Though he seemed quite devastated when he finally saw her look. It seems the girl
What?
named Paige ended up being the whole book.
I mean, I don't get what's wrong, bro. You look the same.
They chant real loud in matching shorts, make the pledges get on their knees.
What?
He said he wants a top house, so he
somebody.
started
Yeah.
to apply.
Yeah.
I don't know Greek all too well, but I think he said he's going date a guy.
What?
They gave him a wooden paddle and must be taking them to kayak.
Oh.
But I never see them leave the house just running after.
Oh my god.
They do a secret handshake that only bros can sign for. But it always takes an hour and leaves.
Oh. What?
My sister came to save him after he called her up one night. He must have been sick of doing the laundry and separating the colors from the whites. My daddy is a magician. I can even show you proof. Every time he goes to the casino, he makes the dollars go poof.
Oh my god.
He made my tablet vanish, the mommy's
Oh,
favorite
man.
chandelier. He said it's part of the act.
Okay.
But I wonder when they'll reappear.
Yeah.
He must be getting famous. He
Wow.
gets letters for him to sign. But
Oh,
I
that's
think
crazy.
Mommy's getting jealous. Her tears keep falling in her wine.
Aww.
He said for his
Bro.
big finale,
Allie.
he needed to grab some milk real quick.
Oh!
I've been waiting
No!
for months. This must be
See the
part
part of
of
the
the trick.
shit.
My mommy has a microphone she hides inside her drawer.
No.
She only likes to sing real loud when daddy's at the store. I brought it in for music class and watched the lights get brighter. All I told the batchman was he put it in a minor.
Yeah, it's just it's in the key of A minor, yeah, it's not like a minor. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then daddy came to the school and he looked extra salty. I think he's jealous. of
Oh
my
my
singing.
god.
'Cause mommy says his pipes are faulty.
Oh!
Now grandma's here to pick me up, but her brain's like mushy fruit.
What?
'Cause she took my favorite microphone and said it'll be a good meat substitute.
Oh.
My grandpa's playing Minecraft with all the kids but me. He built a little island that's just for minor.
Yeah, miners. Like miners. They got their pickaxes and they go underground. Yeah. Yeah.
Only I wish I could game with them since Gramps has seemed to go. They keep on yelling creeper and are scared he's gonna blow.
What?
My friends no longer come to class. An invite would have been kind.
Oh.
Gramps said to make the bedrock. They'll really
Bro, I'm about to call the FBI on this dude. He done took the whole school. He done took the whole school. Shit.
have to grind. Then Grandma broke into the game and made the whole world heated.
Let's go,
The
Grandma.
screen froze
W,
real
Grandma, bro.
bad.
W, Grandma.
I guess the files were deleted.
Yeah.
My brother flew across the sea to try some fancy meat, but all he got was sausage and it made his whole week. Now he runs a food shop that opened in the spring. Though no one looks that hungry, so I pay for the king. They started to get angry and said to pack our bags, but it sounds like they got free food and should be grateful for the crabs.
Yeah, they should be grateful, bro.
Inflation just smiled when they got mean. He
What?
said that's what might happen if your ramen aren't clean.
Oh, no.
My cousin has a little tail, I think, for Halloween. My costume
What?
buster spooked her, though, cause she let out quite the scream.
Oh,
Now it's time for candy, but I
no.
doubt we'll get much more. How do we trick or treat if she'll only use the back door?
What?
I think Gramps heard she got no sweets, and his phone must have gone dead. Cause he said he'd give her 100 grand to use her plug instead. Now
Oh,
she's
no.
getting headaches after her tail got quite wide.
What?
So I don't get why Mommy said she needs to stop putting 7-Up inside her.
Momo. She's not putting 7-Up inside her. She's putting 7 inches inside her.
Auntie is a golfer now and plays
Big black men.
with the whole town. They seem to all love the course.
Oh,
and say she
yeah.
has the best holes around. But
What?
maybe she has a bad stance, or maybe it's her driver. Cause they keep shouting to take the wood and spread her legs
Oh,
wider.
no.
There's never a spot for me though, and I think that's pretty dumb. Who knew so many swingers were
Why is she black now?
for a foursome?
Oh,
By the
wait,
time
what?
it
What?
was my
What?
turn, she was in too much pain. It seems like I missed out on all the fun.
Oh, no.
I even heard there was a train.
Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. That is insane. What in the fuck? Okay. I mean, thank you guys for watching. This is insane.